Chief David Nwogu from our community. I'm one of the leaders of the community.
So we have seen representatives from Total.
It's not Total, it's a consultant from Total. It's not a representative, it's a consultant.
Okay, are you impressed with what is happening here today?
We didn't have any meeting with them today. I'm not impressed. The committee is not impressed with what is happening. Why, in the first place, Total write us that they are coming to meet with us at along the line, we see a group of people. No one ask them. There is no Total staff. They say they are consultants about EIA report. So the traditional rulers, the youth, the women was not even happy. And we asked them about EIA report. Fundamental knowledge. We know that how the state government is supposed to be here, Minister of Environmental Assessment, local government is supposed to be here, senior is supposed to be here. So nothing. And we look at it that is their usual character.
Okay, so what do you think is the way forward?
Okay.
Well, we have told them as a peace-loving community, we have told them to go back to Total to invite them properly. So we are still waiting. We have advised our youth to still wait. The traditional leaders have advised. So I'm advising the youth. I'm advising Total to come. Not only that, we are not happy with Total. For 2 years and a half, we have signed the MOU between the community and Total. Nothing has happened. So we are advising the state government, the governor of Abia State, Executive Governor of Abia State, to help us into this mess. Look at our road. Nothing, no light,